Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you control the domain or have DNS panel access. That gives you the ability to add records. Next, make sure you have the Messenger app ID or phone number you plan to associate. Once done, choose whether to use a public DNS provider for ease or a custom resolver for privacy and performance. You'll log in, navigate to the domain, and prepare to add records. This is the first actionable step that moves the setup forward immediately. Now you add the records. Create the specific CNAME or TXT entries Facebook requires, copying values exactly. Name, type, and value. Set TTL between 300 and 3,600 seconds so changes propagate promptly while still caching efficiently. Make sure there are no extra spaces or trailing dots in record values because small formatting errors break verification. After saving, use your DNS panel's validation tool or dig/nslookup to confirm the record appears from multiple public resolvers. Finish by verifying records have propagated. Run dig or nslookup from 2 to 3 geographic locations. You want consistent answers. Then complete the verification step in the Facebook Developer Console or Messenger settings. Facebook will check the DNS values you added. Once verified, test a message flow to ensure Messenger routes correctly. If things go wrong, check TTL, record syntax, and DNSSEC or CNAME flattening that some providers apply. Correcting those usually resolves verification failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.